Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you the best export settings for your long form video on YouTube. Are you looking for the best export settings for your video so that you can upload it the best way on YouTube? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in Adobe Premiere Pro, and we've opened up a project, and this is for an example, right? So there are different export settings for different formats and for different social media sites. So a video for YouTube will be different from, say, YouTube Shorts, right? A video for Facebook, like the normal video on Facebook, is different from Facebook Reels, right? The only similarities are like TikTok videos, Instagram Shorts, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So those are usually 1080 by 1920. The standard is 1920 by 1080. So what we have right now, and that's the standard that's been used for pretty much everywhere. Again, aside from like a vertical video. So say we make a video right now, right? Say we do this. Let's just for an example. For example, we have a video, right? We have a video. For example, let's edit it a little bit. Why isn't it showing? There we go. It's a bit similar to this in a way. Yeah. What are we at right now? Go back. This is fine. Let's go low actually. There you go. For example, we've already edited it, and let's render into out and wait for it. All right, so now everything's rendered. As you can see, the green bar means it's all rendered. Before it was yellow, which is it's unrendered. It's raw. So let's say this is it. This is the video, right? This is what we're gonna want to upload to YouTube. So what we want to do is click on File here, and then go all the way down to Export, and then Media. You don't need the I forgot what it's called because I've never used it for in a very long time. So first thing you want to do is change the output name. It says sequence 1 because that's the default. Let's check it. Let's use this for example for YouTube video, right? And then click save. So that's now going to be the the output name. So you don't need to look for it. Better to like a small tip. Better to use the title of the video so that you can easily find it. And then go to format. It's a default is AVI. What we want to do is go to H.264 over here. Not H.264 Blu-ray, not EVC. It's just plain H.264. That's what we need, right? So click on that. And now it's going to change, right? It's the preset is now before, I forgot what it was, but now it's match source high bit rate, right? Another thing you're going to do is here on video, right here, as you can see here, it's not the width is 920 and the height is 1080. So it's 920 by 1080, which is what I mentioned earlier, which is the standard for a YouTube video. You will click render at maximum depth, and then you're not going to change any of these. Hold on a little bit. if you have a lot of like raw footage that you want a lot of effects and whatnot, a lot of presets and templates that you use, it says here default bitrate encoding is default to VBR1 pass. You would want it to be VBR2 pass, right? This is going to take a bit longer, but the quality is going to be really crisp. So maximum bitrate mbps would be 50, right? 50. There you go. And you want target bitrate to be 50, right? That's the minimum, by the way. You can go higher. 60, I think, is, for me, sweet spot is 60. 50, you can do it with 50, right? So keyframe distance, you don't need to check any of this. Audio, AAC, right? Stereo, everything here, you don't need to check. So now what you want to do is click on use maximum render quality. Click on that. And you're gonna have an estimated file size here, which is 920 MB. Do not believe this. Sometimes it's gonna be bigger, sometimes it's gonna be smaller. Usually it's smaller. So what you need to do now is click on export, and it's gonna encode twice. It's gonna do 2 passes because that's what we had, and it's gonna take a while. So we need to wait for this. So we've canceled that, but that's pretty much the setup. It's gonna take a while. Like if you're my rig is decent. It's not super strong, but it's not bad too. But this is ideally the thing. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.